I grew up in Sandusky, Ohio, and I grew up in a building family. I'm kind of a unique builder, a little self-taught, and Heather and I work together pretty great.
I've grown up just loving art. I pull inspiration from my family, and it's always kind of just been a part of who I am. If Ben doesn't answer his phone, I know he's probably at Menards.
When we shop at Menards, the boys are always excited to go with me. No matter what I need, it's there. Lots of employees around, willing to help. All the cedar I've gotten for these projects have come from Menards. To me, being a maker means an opportunity to build the way you want to build, building with heart. I've always looked at stuff a little different than most. I try my best to do something you don't see every day.
My kids always feel a part of every project we do. It's very important to us that they see how our hands created something and the value of hard work.
I build, but at the end, she puts her final touch on it that takes it over the top. That makes us a team. We put our hearts in everything we put our hands on. To be a part of Sandusky's revival has been amazing.
What do you think?
And it will always be home.